What is going on, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. It is a little sad. We got the X7 outside. We got all the parts, stock parts for the Camaro in here. Literally everything. Stuff happens. I'll play the clip right now. You guys will understand what happened. I'm selling all those parts. The car is probably already sold as this video goes up, so missed the Camaro. Honestly, don't know if there's going to be a next build, what the next build's gonna be. In the last 3 years, that's 2 cars that the motor's given up on me, so kind of heartbroken about that. Really sad about the Camaro. Only had it for about 1 year and 3 months. Fun memories, but maybe I'll make a little montage, but on to, I guess, bigger, better, maybe things. I don't know what's gonna happen, but thank you all, you guys, for all you guys' support. Don't know what's gonna happen with the channel. Honestly, don't know anything that's gonna happen. Shoot for the best. Hopefully something comes through. And yeah. What is going on, everybody? It is currently a couple days forward, a couple weeks, I don't even know, man. I've been detailing the Tesla. As you guys see behind me, we got all the modified parts. So the lowering springs, the MSD intake manifold, the rotofab intake, oil catch can, X-pipe still in the car. We're gonna get that off tomorrow. Tuner's coming tomorrow, flash it stock. Gonna pump out all the E85, put 91 in the car, make it nice and factory. I'm gonna do an oil change on the car, and then tomorrow or next day, it's gonna be the last day for the Camaro. As far as next car, I have no idea. Honestly, I got options. Looking around, I inquired about one certain vehicle. Whatever it is, though, I promise you guys are not gonna see it coming. It's gonna be something completely different. You guys will enjoy it. Next car will be fun as well. Camaro was fun, but let's see what happens now. What is going on, everybody? Next day, got some 91 with me. So tuner is at the shop. They just I believe they purged out the 85, and I believe they flashed it to stock, and right now they don't got 91 at the shop. So I'm headed over there, gonna drop off some 91, hopefully get Camaro to start up. Everything will be nice and smooth on that flash setting, and then we shall see who gives us the highest bid for the Camaro, sell it. And next car, got a couple options. In power, I don't necessarily know if it's gonna be a downgrade quite yet. You guys are gonna like it. It's gonna be a surprise. It's gonna be something nobody can guess. I'm honestly excited for it. This build will be different. I feel like on the 1LE, it was just performance. On this next car, it's a special car. It looks really good, and I'm trying to do more of a cosmetic and performance, so I'll try to balance off, but we'll see how it goes. Honestly, never know with me. I'm very hesitant. I make quick decisions really fast, but enough of me yapping. Let's get to the shop and let's see how the 1LE is doing. All right, guys, the Camaro is back to stock. Check engine lights on because the X-pipe does a what's it called, those valves, I don't know, it deletes some valves, sensors out, and so that's going to stay on until I get the stock X-pipe on. So that is going to be the next move for the car. Right now we are trying to get gas at Costco because we're at empty, and the car's starting to bog because there's like literally no gas in the car. So hopefully we make it. Definitely a sad sight to see. All right, guys, sadly it is time to take off all the decals and everything of the car. Let's get to it. If you guys are wondering how I'm floating around, I'm on my hoverboard. But time to take off this big decal, so let's get it off slowly but surely. Camaro's coming back to stock life. Look at that. Look at that right eye gap. Jeez. But yeah, the only thing on the outside I'll leave on that I put on was probably the roof. So the rest of it will kind of stay like this. I'll take off the carbon fiber gas cap and yeah. But let's get this banner off. Boom, there you guys have it. The banner is off. As you guys can tell, the car is really, really dirty, so that's why it looks like it's kind of still on. Next, let's get to the gas cap. And just like that, we got the white gas cap, no decals. That's all gone. I do need to, however, clean up all the goo and everything, so I will be doing that next, and then take off that license plate frame. And then I think that's it for the outside. I'm gonna leave all the reflectors smoked. And yeah, then we'll move on to the inside. Yeah, that gas cap did not come off easy. Unfortunately, we'll not be able to sell this, but yeah. Finally got all the windows cleaned. Now, let's head on into that inside. So, honestly don't know if I want to sell the car like this. It's going to be a lot of work getting all the carbon out, especially because I know unless someone's going to buy the exact part, it's going to be hard to sell. So I'm going to make an Instagram post, see if anybody wants anything, and go from there. Alright guys, final days with the Camaro. This is the first time the car has actually been to a car wash. Usually always hand wash myself or by a detailer. But yeah, first time in a car wash. It's a little nerve-wracking. This is, however, a 100% hand car wash, so no brushes or anything do hit the car. But as you can see right there, he's gonna start using a mitt to start scrubbing and everything. But it's definitely nerve-wracking. What is going on, guys? I just dropped off the Camaro for an oil change. We're gonna get everything looked at and everything, make sure everything's all good before I sell it, and let's see how everything comes back. It's been done, guys. Got the plate, got the check. Camaro is sold. Honestly speechless, don't know what to say, but she's gone. One last look of the interior. I'll miss this car, to be honest, but see what we end up with next. All right, guys, this is gonna be the last segment of this video. This video has taken, honestly, at this point, it's been weeks since the Camaro first went down, and I thought I'd just tell you guys a little story time exactly what happened. That day, I literally just started the car like normal, let it warm up. I was leaving my driveway, did not step on it at all. I know what you guys are all thinking, no. So when I leave my driveway, I get out on my street, immediately there's a light. So I don't think I might have passed 15 miles an hour just because traffic, lights and everything. And I'm sitting at the light and the car starts idling funny and it just died. Turn it back on and that's when that knocking sound came, and immediately I thought piston, something, like I'm screwed, engine's totally gone. But luckily that was not the case. It was, honestly, I don't know what. Ever since that day, that ticking sound has not came back. A lot of people think it was a lifter that went out, and then some of it got probably chewed through the engine block. But when I did do a oil change, I took it to Chevy. I took off all the parts and everything, and check engine light was still on for the AMF valves in the exhaust. And so I took it to Chevy and I was like, hey, I don't know what happened. They did a full oil change. They said my engine mounts were messed up, so they said that was the cause of everything. So that was all good there. They changed the valves, everything was all good, and final days of the Camaro running flawless, smooth. I just basically sold the dealership the car. They gave me a check, and I do know what I'm gonna get next. So the car I want, thinking about doing holding my phone just gets tired. But I do think I want a custom spec. I want to custom spec a vehicle. I want to take delivery. I kind of want to go the whole 9 yards. I think it'd be fun for me to do, and as well as fun to see on YouTube. So that is what I am planning on doing. Still don't know 100%, but that's the goal. We'll see how far it goes. We'll see if I can get allocation, and basically we'll see from there. Until then, just kidding. Tesla's gonna be the daily. Basically what happened there again, things just kind of worked out in a way for me so that the Tesla could be my daily and we're not short a car at home. And that is it though. This is probably the last Camaro video. Camaro was fun. Thank you everybody that supported the YouTube channel, the Instagram, the TikTok. Thank you to the shops, Unleash Motorsports. They're literally from day one to the very last day he was there for me. So appreciate you, Joe. If anybody needs anything done to their car, hit him up, Unleash Motorsports in Fresno. Other than that, thank you to the tuner, New Era. Again, you were amazing. One of the realest people I know. They never bullshitted me, never, or anything. It was always straight up, and I respect it. They helped me out also when I had the problems. Great communication, always there. They're based out of in LA. I'll try to link both their Instagrams down in the chat. And yeah, so honestly, both shops had nothing to do with it. It was just an issue that, honestly, the more I looked into it, it just came down to luck. But everything happens for a reason. I'm a firm believer of that. Life goes on. Catch you guys in the next video. See ya. Also, to be noted, somebody also let me know that I should probably let everybody know that this is all a movie that I'm going to write. None of this actually happened, and I did nothing of the sort. Yeah. So thank you guys, everybody, for listening to my new movie script. I appreciate you guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing, but I will keep pushing out that content. Thank you guys. Peace.